Kaspa is popping again, and guys, you have been warned for that. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to see what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price. We're about to do our typical update in the price, in the rank, in the market cap, because you can clearly see right now Kaspa is popping like crazy. We are back at 0.049 cents, and it seems that we broke a very significant resistance of this kind bull flag that happened. Okay, I told you that this kind of drop that happened yesterday, it wasn't something significant. I wasn't actually expecting to see like the double top as the fathers are waiting to see. Obviously these are bullshits because Kaspa is fundamental project, and to see Kaspa under 3 cents, it means that the diamond hands must sell Kaspa, and something that is not even possible in your dreams. Okay, no one will sell Kaspa, especially under 3 cents. So the majority of people that are back from Kaspa are diamond hands that are keeping very tight. They only buy and they never sell. They're gonna sell maybe in 2025, some of them to take some profits and re-enter back in a bear market. Only in that way they're gonna sell. Okay, even the miners don't sell. I know miners that have ASICs and they told me that, Chris, we won't sell at 2025. Maybe a small portion just to cover some bills, to cover some monthly bills. But the majority of the Kaspa coins that we mine, it's gonna be hold until 2025 at least. Okay, so as you understand, Kaspa is very powerful. It's only the beginning. And on this video also, guys, we're gonna see the Hashrate, what happened since yesterday. We're about to see the top addresses, what happened in the top addresses and also in the categories since yesterday. And also we're gonna discuss lots of interesting things around this current situation. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because daily I upload videos around Kaspa where I try to inform you and educate you with the latest news in the market of Kaspa. Which is going to be very helpful and beneficial for you to have these by first hand. And guys, do not forget to check my Patreon group, because here you are about to find my VIP crypto investors. And I would like to tell you that we're going to immigrate. Okay, for those who don't know, we're going to immigrate to Discord, and Discord is going to be quite different. It's going to have a name, and I'm going to make a spoiler right now that the name of the group of the Discord is going to be WealthNET, Elite Crypto Investors, where you're going to have access there only with crypto payments. So if you're interested to catch your position, because I'm going to have a discount for the first 50 people who are going to enter, because the payment is going to be yearly. I'm not looking to have that easy accessibility to everyone, because the content that I will provide and the tips that I'm going to give are going to be exclusive. So I would like to create a like-minded community, which already we have in Telegram. Multimillionaires inside, entrepreneurs inside, crypto YouTubers inside. We got lots of very knowledgeable guys, but I would like to have all of these benefits that you're gonna see in my portfolio, my educational content. I have a guide that I call it investing guide, and I have there lots of tips, in Discord. So I would like to have everything in one place: buy signals, sell signals, everything there, altcoins discussion, everything. So that's why I'm gonna immigrate, and I'm gonna make the accessibility more limited, because I would like to see like-minded people, and these people who are gonna enter. My goal on this WealthNet as a Chris is gonna be to make them wealthy. If you're interested to catch your position before the prices goes up, because it's gonna be only for the first 50 people, and already the Patreon members gonna have, as you know, priority. And right now we are 41 people, I believe, because we have got some people with crypto payments inside of the Telegram. So if you would like to catch position, send me an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com. I'm gonna put the email in the screen to catch your position before the launch of the Discord. Okay, it's gonna be less than a week, but until then you can enter into the Patreon to be in priority too. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with the Kaspa. Guys, this thing that's happening right now is astonishing. I have warned you for that yesterday, that Don't actually listen to fad. Don't do any stupid mistake move like to sell at 0.046 cents just in the case that the price will get lower and actually you're gonna buy lower. Okay, don't do these stupid mistakes because Kaspa is fundamental project, relies more in fundamentals than the technicals, is backed by community, and we are still so early in Kaspa. No matter that we are in 1 billion market cap, we are still so early that any possible news, we are not listed in the majority of exchanges, so each exchange news gonna skyrocket the price. Kaspa can actually climb up to 4 to 5 billion in a bear market easy. I believe it can flip a Litecoin. If it's gonna be listed in all exchanges that Litecoin is right now, Kaspa will flip Litecoin. And I say Litecoin because Litecoin right now considered that is the digital silver of the crypto, which is pretty wrong. Okay, Kaspa has no competition near to Litecoin. Litecoin is inferior, way inferior than Kaspa for many reasons. Okay, I'm not gonna actually discuss that why is so inferior than Kaspa on this video, but you can do your research. I will say only that to create one block in Litecoin need approximately 2.5 minutes. Okay, and Kaspa actually create a block in 1 second. So that says a lot. Anyway, Kaspa at this time that we are speaking is standing at 0.049 cents, extremely bullish, and we broke a significant resistance, ranked 44. If we're gonna break, guys, the 5 cents area, we're gonna get straight to under top 40 coins, which is crazy. If Kaspa right now gonna do another new all-time high, which I'm expecting to see that anytime soon, guys, that's gonna be astonishing because maybe we're gonna rank under top 40 coins in a bear market without being backed by top tier exchanges. Astonishing thing. Okay, Kaspa right now is standing in a very powerful position, and guys, if we're gonna see any news, another news like exchange listing or whatever, Kaspa will climb even higher in the rank. It's gonna get like top 35, top 34, crazy things. Okay, and as I have told you, no, you have not lose the train. The train is still here, and I recommend you to start dollar cost average before the price will continue goes into the upside. Okay, no, I believe Kaspa is very hard to drop under 4 cents. I believe that Kaspa first is gonna skyrocket to 6 or 7 cents, and then maybe it's gonna do a reversal. But until then, I believe that Kaspa is looking for a new all-time high. And let's move, guys, straight into the technical side because as you can clearly see, even from the technical side, the situation is bullish. Yesterday, we saw some selling pressure in the daily time frame, and I told you that I don't care for that because even from the technical side, we are still on this uptrend movement. And I showed you that, and I told you also that we are forming like a bull flag. Okay, the technical price target of that is approximately 6 cents. If I actually get this straight line and you put it there, you're gonna notice that we have a technical price target of this bull flag at 6 cents. But as you know, I don't rely on technicals. I only take some considerations about the support and resistance because sometimes, for example, like here or like this big downtrend resistance that we broke, here we had lots of buying pressure. Even me, I bought the first buy signal in Kaspa and the rest members of the group, of the Patreon group, when we broke this significant resistance of the downtrend movement. Okay, when we broke this one, I was waiting to see a clear breakout confirmation, and since we broke, we had some consolidation, if I remember well, and then we bought massively. With the second buy signal happened here at the reversal that we found resistance at the 0.027 cents, and we bought at this uptrend support area, and obviously, guys, we exploited all this huge dip that happened. I'm not gonna show you the signals yet. I'm gonna show you the signals when we're gonna actually break the 5 cents area and gonna move further. Then I'm gonna show you exactly the time that we bought. Okay, and you're gonna see that in that group that's coming in the WealthNet and also in my Patreon group right now, we are buying the perfect times. Okay, and you're gonna see that we always got the last dip. Okay, we always buy the last dip of Kaspa. So the situation here looking very bullish. It's really, really bullish. I'm expecting, as I told you, to see new all-time high from time to time. That's very, very great. Also, guys, Bitcoin is pumping, so it's positive too. Okay, to have also Bitcoin momentum, because we're gonna have more money maybe flowing into Kaspa with the Bitcoin pump. So pretty bullish. Also, you can increase in the RSI. Maybe we're gonna get again in an overbought position. So we have a chance to get in 80 RSI points or 90 RSI points, which we're gonna see at that point Kaspa at 6 cents or 7 cents at this area. And then maybe we're gonna come back to see any serious reversal, which obviously we're gonna exploit that again. Anyway, we're gonna see. Okay, we are observing. We don't care for the short term. If we're gonna see drop, we're buying. If we won't see a drop, we're just doing our typical dollar cost average, because you know I'm doing dollar cost average every day. When we see big drops, I'm giving signals in Patreon group and we buy massive bags there. Anyway, let's move into the hash rate. Guys, hash rate right now is standing at 21.69 petahash per second. The highest rate that we saw, which is a new all-time high, is the 22.93 petahash per second, which is astonishing. I told you until the end days of September, we're going to be close to 30 petahash per second. So astonishing. And also, as I told you yesterday, Bitmain gonna have another batch. So the next coming months, we're about to see also furthermore hash rate, because more ASICs are gonna plug in into the Kaspa network. Something that we are looking for the global adoption, because we're gonna have a very protective and healthy network. Okay, from the top addresses, guys, as you can clearly see, we saw some accumulation since yesterday. We lost one whale, or maybe two whales, as I see the percentage here. I think it's only one whale, but the majority of other categories are in accumulation. And guys, in the top addresses, nothing significant actually changed. And right now I'm gonna answer you the most common question: Chris, where you store your Kaspa? Okay, this is the most common question. And guys, I would like to please you to put your Kaspa in a cold storage, and also not only your Kaspa but also your cryptos in a cold storage. In the last two videos, I showed you two guys that lost money. They lost their cryptos because they hold their cryptos, and we are speaking for big worth of cryptos. Okay, $700,000 and above worth of cryptos in a web wallets, in a software wallets, in the desktop wallets, and wallets like that. Guys, if you hold your cryptos in a web wallet or desktop wallet or software wallet, you need to have very high experience how to be protectful when you are using the web. Okay, the Wi-Fi, with the web browsers, you need to be in a high level category to be protectful. The majority of people are not in that category, so they enter into a wrong website, into a fishy Wi-Fi, into a public Wi-Fi which is not protected, and got drained. Okay, one day they wake up and they see their account balance is zero. So where to store your Kaspa? Guys, cold storage is the solution here. The cold storage of my preference is Tadgem wallet. I prefer it over the Ledger. I was ex-Ledger user, over the Trezor, because these Ledger and Trezor got access into your seed phrase, and that was a big scandal for me when I learned that Ledger has got access into my seed phrase. I immediately switched up. This is illegal, and I bought, after a heavy investigation that I did into the space, I ended up to choose Tadgem. So I recommend you guys Tadgem too, and with a CryptoChris code, you're gonna have 10% discount, or by clicking here the link, I get straight into the website, and this discount code is gonna be applied immediately, so you won't have to put the CryptoChris. Highly recommend, guys, to be safe without trying. Okay, it's the ultimate safety without trying to be safe. Highly recommend it. And this is exactly what I would like to tell you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. As I told you, I'm expecting a continuation of the pub. Let's see how we're gonna react on this current situation. I'm gonna speak in my next video with the new data that we're gonna have. So until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.